If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, so we have made it to the butterfly. I'm still mad at her about the scooters, y'all. That was on my bucket list, but we just made up for it, so it's all good. Oh, cute little butterfly.
I want to pick.
Thank you. Alright, thank you.
Have a good day today.
You too. Alright, here we are. Alright, so we're at the butterfly place.
You've probably enjoyed their colors and flashing wings many times. For in most parts of our country, they can be seen during the spring, summer, and fall. Yet how much do you know?
I thought of that this morning. I was like, oh god.
Oh,
So here we go. Make sure they don't fly out. Oh yeah.
oh, this is so cool. Wow, it's a lot of them too.
Very pretty.
Wow. Alright folks, it's MrBucketlist here, and here I am in the beautiful butterfly garden here in Key West. As you can see, there is Into Cruising. She had one fall on her head a little bit ago. It is beautiful in here. Let's walk. Let's walk. Go ahead.
Behind you.
Yeah. No, you're okay.
I'm good.
Yeah, you're okay. So this is the area. It is very condensed and packed in here as far as the butterflies.
Look at that one.
Okay, so they have a nice gazebo right here as well. You can come and sit down. And this gives you a nice view of the flamingos. Got some ducks in there too and fish. Now this is Christmas time, so they have these Christmas balls around. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of butterflies. They have food all around where they can eat. And birds.
Just a little bit. But there's another one there.
Alright, and that is them eating their food right here. As you can see, there we got it. Don't move, don't move. Oh my god, you legit have one on your head. This is funny. Oh man.
Where is it?
It's on your head.
Really?
Let me stop a bit.
I love blue butterflies. They're the cutest. Why did you? sad bad though. Only 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
We're so lucky.
Okay, and this is the turtle crossing. Turtle down there. And this beautiful little creek. Yeah, these are them. That one came out. That's so weird that they opened that to the butterflies.
Is that like... You need to put on your shirt or on your whatever you want.